this waterfall not far from the job I was working all week. Sorry I hadn't posted anything in the last couple of days. I've just been absolutely getting smashed on the job with the rain and the weather down in Tassie. Every single time I come to Tassie it's always wet. But that's alright. We just got our Jeep heading down there using the old Garmin Montana that tracks back and also records everywhere I go. So wherever I go, it'll film it. So if the GPS on my phone drops out, I press track back and it will track me back all the way to where I come from. So guys, for $800 from Anaconda, it was the best bit of kit that I could definitely invest on, definitely when it comes to travelling around the areas and stuff like that. It's just cheap insurance that if anything happens I can definitely just press, find my location and it will give me location, or it will send messages to everyone else to say that I'm okay as well if I'm in an area with no reception. So there's a bonus to it. So follow along, like and subscribe if you like these videos. Follow along for more, and we'll keep these videos coming. So I love travelling. Well, I haven't been here for a couple of years, so the last time I came to these falls it was in a dry period. So I'll show you now, these falls are different during wet season. It's I haven't experienced it, so first time experiencing it in the rain. It's been wet the last couple of days. I had a dry day yesterday, but yeah, I just thought you guys might want to see what I come and have a look at when I'm on the road. It's my day off today, so I just thought I'd get out and experience a bit of nature. I need it. I haven't been out bush for a long time, well, for a while, because of how busy work's been. So yeah, hope you enjoy it, and we'll come have a look at this waterfall, eh? Big tree.
She moves like a map with no borders, a whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've
That is
never
a
named,
big tree.
while I stay in my
This is one of the
lane.
oldest trees.
But something in the way she moves
That's massive.
keeps pulling at my chain.
It's like something off Avatar.
Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride,
400,000 years old eucalyptus
leaving
trees.
behind what I hold inside. If I
This
don't
weather's starting
ask
to chill
your
it out,
name
so
today,
it'll be devastating
I
when that
may
tree comes down.
never get the chance to walk beside your
This one.
wandering dance.
Guess it's an old tree that came down a long time ago. Jeez, that's massive.
She hums a
Look at this.
tune
They got a
I've
viewing
never
platform
heard
here.
in
They are
languages I
massive.
can't speak.
Baby one, but
She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never
hidden places that
keep.
you find from
I
other
sip
people
my
talking and that when I've come to do
coffee, miss
builds
my
for cattle
cue,
yards and that down
still
here.
anchored
And,
by my field.
It is like a different part of the world, Tasmania. Every time I come here, I can't get enough of it here. It's a place that you have to come and spend a lot of time being around. And
You carry the sun.
yeah, you just every time you come to Tasmania, you just love it every time.
What I hold inside if I don't
breathtaking.
ask your name today.
It's funny when I come near Tassie, every time I'm in work shorts, every single time I come here. And every time I come here, it's freaking cold.
Maybe next year in Madrid
Bloody beautiful.
or on some quiet
Guys, this is the thing I want to talk to you about. Like, was
I'll
this?
see you turn
It's tracked me
and I'll
from
be brave.
where I first
What
started,
if
and it's
courage
tracked me
comes
to this
too
point here.
late?
So now, when we go back, I'll be able to follow the way we come. There's two platforms. There's one you can go up higher, and there's one you can go lower.
And I just stood afraid of fate. If I don't take that step today,
Yeah.
you'll vanish with the train, and I'll never see your smile again.
Wow, look at that. It is beautiful. Doesn't take long to get here on the road. It's literally about an hour's drive from where we're staying, so it's not too far from the coast. So come down, like and subscribe for another video, and we'll keep these videos coming.